What's up YouTube? We back out here again with another tutorial for y'all, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to do a double jig, how to set up a double jig on any type of jig pole. Really, as you can see down there, I really have 4 jig poles, but I got my 212s, my 110, and really I got all of them. Let me show you. I got all of them really set up from my last fishing trip with bobbers and regular hooks on them, because in my last video, this video right here, I'm gonna pop up. In my last video, I had went to honey pond about 2.5 weeks ago, and yeah, we killed them. Like, they was biting the minnows, but I'm gonna show y'all how to set it up like this. Like, hey, this my way how I set up my jig poles, all of my jig poles, not just one. I set up all my jig poles just like this. So if you find this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe on it, and turn on post notification bell so you won't miss any of my new content coming in to y'all. And yeah. All right, so what I do, number one, is let out a good amount of line from your reel. So you like pull some out, lock it back in place so I don't get too tangled up. So I'll usually take about from the end of the line till about like this much. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but like a good foot worth of line. I either take that and I'll snap this line off, and I'll keep this line. I grab my pole, don't mind that. I grab my pole, and what I'll do, I'll take the end. It don't matter which end. I take the end of the line I just cut off, and I take it and I grip both line that's still attached to the pole and the line I just grabbed. I'll take it and I'll sometimes like measure and see how long the one I cut earlier is close to the bottom. So that's pretty close. So I'll go up a little bit more. So let me see, that's pretty good right there. Okay, so it ain't no fancy knot I'll literally just take all the strings together and literally just tie them like this. Yeah, you just tie that tight, and your extra line that's up here, you just cut that off because you ain't gonna need it. Toss that to the side. So this is what it'll look like. I don't know if you can see it, but this is what it'll look like. You'll have one color on the end of your shorter line and another color on your other line, your longer line. So that's about, let me see, that's about, it stops right there. So that's about a good 5 extra inches longer than the first line. Okay, so get into it. shorter line, which is this one. And like I said, it ain't no big fancy way of how I tie my jig heads and skirts on this line. I literally just tie it 3 knots, and it lasts like so long. It's just so hard to put it in. 1 second. Okay, there you go. So yeah, just 3 simple little knots. Yeah, so that's how you set up the jig heads. So there's one nail, go further down the line, and there's the other one. So close this, put that there. What I usually do is try to correspond with the colors of any color really. Like for instance, this color up here is, you know, green, neon green with a red eye. I'll usually, you know, forget all that. It's really whatever color that the specs will eat. So yeah, I'll take, let's say, the electric chicken maybe right here. How I put the jig skirt on the hook. The thickest part that looked like it got a little belly right here, I take my hook, I put it through the top, pull it through, and then just mush it down really like that. And the same thing for the other one. This one was a neon white with a red eye. I'll put maybe I don't know, maybe something red and black on there. Nah, I'll do orange, and I'll do this one. Okay, that's how you set it up. Hey, like I said, that all what y'all just seen, even if you do or don't like it, this how I catch my fish, and I'm gonna show you right now.